So, just quickly we'll talk about the three different types of samples we can do. The random sample, choosing people out of a hat. The systematic sample, where we pick people based on a system. So, alphabetical list, choose every fifth person. Or the stratified sample, say for example choosing 20% of Year 7 students, 20% of Year 8 students, so that we've got a random sample of a mixture of classes. We're going to skip all these questions and go straight down to how to do the sampling. So, choosing samples. We choose to pick 20% of the people in the class. So, how would we work out how to do this? Well, we take the number of people in the class, there's 24 people in the class, and essentially we're just going to divide it by 5. Or times it by 0.2. So, we're going to end up with 4.8, which is going to give us, we'll round it up to 5 people. Systematic sample. Write down a sample you obtain using a systematic sample. We could go every first, every third person, every fifth person, just trying to get a decent sample. So in this case we want 20%, so we're going to go with every fifth person. So we'd ignore, just going through and we'll highlight which students we're going to select. We'll go with Jared, Mackenzie, Michaela, Mitchell, and we'll pick Rebecca because she's the last person. So now we've done that, we've got our systematic sample. Another, to pick 30% of the people in the class, so 30% is 3 people out of 10, so we pick, let's get rid of our inking. So for 30%, how many people are we looking at getting? So we're picking 30%, so we need 7.2 people, so we'll just call that exactly 7, use a highlighter this time. We've got Austin, Paige, Tucker, Shalise, Michaela, Shelby, Zaid, and that makes our 7. We're just going to skip Rebecca because otherwise we'd be taking too many people. And that's our systematic sample. We could do a random